I'm just getting 2 tools right now because we are on the... Oh. Why are you coming this way? Oh my god. Did he really not see me? Oh.
Hey, what's this?
Inside. Oh my god. This is so scary. Okay, let's hurry. Okay, that is not great. No, he got me. Yeah, he knew that I was going for the generator gate, so he kept in waiting, I guess. And try to make a run.
Okay, stay calm.
Oh no.
Maybe I can find something.
This is a dead end. No, he's got me. Oh my god, already close to the killer. At least there's a barricade. Okay, let's go back and go through the door actually. Wait. Wait. Where the fuck am I? Oh, I'm so lost. Wait. Okay. There's a lot of things going on upstairs, so... I think the cook just came downstairs and checked the door. Let's keep unlocking.
Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you'd want in your Burger King burger is someone...
Oh wow. What in the frick? Let's go straight back down. Look for help. Okay, not good. Okay, he's got me. Damn it.
What do we have here?
I'll need a year for this because of his slow stealth. Okay, got one. Maybe let's try get another one.
1 hour later.
Nice. Got that one. Oh, I'm close to Grandpa. Grandpa's over there. Okay. No, no, no. I'm dead. Yeah. Grandpa snitched on me. Oh my god. What the? His back just cracked. Alright. You're kidding me. Thanks for running him over here. Thanks, Scotty. Health is already very low.
Hello?
Oh no. Okay. Watch out for the chicken. Let's repair this quickly. We only got one blue and 6, 9 and 10. Wait, what? Exit? Okay, I think my game crashed. Well, that's how it is, guys. At least it's not my math that's wrong.
Did they hear that?
Oh no. Chicken.
I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled. I love you.
Okay, the hitchhiker just wanted to pet his pet chicken, George. The fuck? Oh my god, Julie. she just sneaked past them.
Fight back, man!
Oh my god, Connie! Wasn't me, I swear.
There they are.
Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, no way. Bro, I can't hear my game.
We do not care.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
I guess I'm blending in with the corpses.
Shit. Quick.
His vision is based on movement. His vision as well. His vision is based on movement. Just sitting here.
What do we have here? It's too quiet. Much too quiet.
Okay, I just woke Grandpa up.
I got you now, SpongeBob!
Oh my god, did he just not see me? He totally ran past me, what? Okay.
Where is everybody? This is... Fatality.
Okay, we died. Let's heal up and get another one. Thanks for slamming the door, dude. Can we just go out here? We can just leave right now, can't we? Alright. Let's try to survive longer than 2 minutes.
2 seconds later.
Oh, wow. That was quick. The chainsaw is not even on. Some health. And... oh! Cute little upsy whoopsie.
This is a nightmare.
I'm supporting her with my tiny dance.
Thank you. I might be able to break those locks now. Hey, what's this?
And let's have a look if they turned on the car battery. Yes, they did. No, you idiot! You just turned it on.
Oh shit.
I want to go into the back. Oh, I know this map. There is... there's no toolbox in here. I was lied to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! I'm dead. There's no way I'll survive this. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm dead. Damn, CC. Oh nice, I love this kill animation.